Hi. So I just wanted to do a quick DIY video about fixing a vacuum because I just fixed my vacuum recently. A vacuum is one appliance where it sucks if it doesn't suck, in a weird way. So this, I used to have a Dyson, like an expensive, and it was great and it worked great for 10 years and then it broke down. And then this, so a couple of years ago when my other one broke down, I got this on sale at Canadian Tire for like 60 bucks. So it's a Bissell Aeroswift Compact. So the way that it usually works is you take this thing off and you just empty out the canister. So recently I had a problem with it where it just wasn't picking up. Now we got this artificial snow and Michelle had a ball with it, and I mean, I'll do anything to make her happy. So yeah, it was fun for her, not so fun for Mama.
Ready? Oh my gosh, it's snowing! Snowing,
Yep.
snowing. More snow, more snow, more snow. What?
So yeah, she had a ball, but there was artificial snow everywhere, and so I'm trying to vacuum it up, and I guess it clogged the vacuum because then it wasn't picking anything up. And I emptied out the canister and still it wasn't picking anything up. So then I thought, well, it's got to be clogged somewhere other than in the canister. So I basically took all the parts apart and cleaned them out, and it worked, and now it works again. So I'll just show you how I took the things apart, just in case you have the same vacuum or something similar. Usually, so this thing comes off, this part comes off, and then usually what you do is you push on this, and this opens up, and then you dump that in the garbage and you're on your way. But unfortunately that wasn't cutting it, and I dumped that out and it still wasn't working. So this top part comes off as well. And then, now you can see there's more in here again, but I took this off. And there we go. Here we go again. Okay, great. Now I'll have to vacuum this up, but yeah, so you can see this is some of the artificial snow. Again, that I guess because it's so light, and then it gets trapped in this other part, so yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'll vacuum that up. So I cleaned all this out. I even took this thing off and cleaned this out, which looks like I have to do it yet again. And yeah, so I'll clean all that out. And then also this part comes off. At least it did. How did I do it before? How did I take this off? Oh, these squeeze. So this has like two little buttons on the side, and you squeeze them and that comes off. So like even in here was all clogged, and here was clogged, and like everything was clogged. So I took everything apart and then it worked again, but unfortunately now I've got even more stuff here again. But yeah, so I'll clean that out. But yeah, you could take all the parts apart and clean them off. And then you fit this back in here. It clicks in. And then this is back in here. Yeah, just clicks in like that. And back on here. Put this back in. Squeeze these things together. And yeah, so I could tell it wasn't working because like it wasn't even turning around in there. Like usually there's a little cyclone in there, and it wasn't doing anything. And I'm like, already, like I'm spending more on groceries and everything these days, gas, everything's gone up. Last thing I want to do is buy new vacuums. So luckily I was able to clean it out, and then it was working like as good as before, as good as new. You can see the suction in there now. So my vacuum works again. What do you think of that, Allie? No. So yeah, if you have a Bissell AeroSwift Compact or something similar, then yeah, you can just clean out all the parts and then it should work hopefully good as new, because it certainly beats buying a new vacuum cleaner. Anyway, bye for now.